Braeleigh Madison Janakis. That's been your name for 2 years already, but it feels far longer than that. It feels like you've been a part of me since we met. You're making me a lifelong partner. You're making me responsible for your safety and well-being. You're making me a dance partner. You're making me a roommate, a chef, and a safe place to be yourself around. You're making me your husband, and I will never fail that job. I will be there for you in sickness and in health. I will be there for you in good times and in hard times. I will be there forever, because this is the job that I chose, and I get to choose every day for the rest of my life. Thank you for blessing me in this world with Noah. The best part about him is knowing that after we are long gone, this world will still have a part of you in it. And hopefully they love and cherish it as much as I will. You've changed my entire world. I'm so lucky to have gotten to marry you twice. No amount of time would be enough with you, so let's start with forever.
Growing up, I always had a hardworking man in my life. I always went to bed knowing he would do anything for his family without a second thought. I was always hoping I would end up marrying somebody like that, and I did. I have been asked by friends many times how I knew that you were the one I wanted to marry. All I could ever respond to that question was, of course, the cliche, when you know, you know. But what does that even mean? It is such an indescribable feeling, but there is no way to explain it in a way that would make sense to anyone else. It's the feeling you get when the phone rings and it's you. It's the way you provide for our family, no matter what you have to do. It's the smell of your clothes when I do laundry. It was that moment you said hi to me in the hallway that changed the course of my life entirely. It has been 8 years since you first spoke to me, and with each new adventure, it feels like day one. All over again. Every day since we met, it has been you, and everything I did to get you, I'd do all over again. You are my best friend and my confidant. Today and every day, I promise to be your safe space, your source of unwavering support, and to be your sunshine in a thunderstorm. I promise to always be your cheerleader, someone you can grow with and be fearless with. I promise to love you unconditionally and choose us every day. And if tomorrow isn't promised, I can live with peace knowing that in front of all of our friends and family, I got to show my love and promise these things today. And today I get to marry the protector of my heart, the reason for my smile and all of my eye rolls, and the love of my life. No measure of time will be long enough with you, but forever sounds pretty great to me.
You may now kiss the bride.